Well, I know it's been a while since I put out an update on the 3 horsepower M hit and miss, but Mother Nature started kicking our ass here. That's my plow. That thing is tougher than nails. I think I've probably used it for 18 years. Well, it won't die. So we didn't have any snow a couple weeks ago. And then last weekend, we got 15 inches in one snowstorm. And we've had like a high of 20 degrees during the day. Here's my parts Jeep if the other one ever breaks down. There's no ice on this creek 2 weeks ago, and a couple days ago it was frozen right over. It did warm up a little bit one day. The sun come out and a lot of the ice broke up. But anyway, between work and plowing all this crap out of the way, I haven't been spending a lot of time in the garage. Well, maybe I'll put together an update on the latch out. Still a lot of work left to be done. 445. There. Now I got the roller end for my latch out. So here's what we've got so far. Piece of 3/8 plate steel. 2 holes drilled in it that match these 2 holes here in the old igniter bracket, or not igniter, the old magneto bracket. That's where the magneto was mounted. So this plate, and then I drilled a hole here using a letter drill bit. I think I went to an N, and then cut the head off a 5/16 bolt and press that into the steel. Then I'll weld along the bottom here. That'll hold that in there, and that's gonna be my pivot point. That'll mount right there. And then this is our latch rod. This end of it spins, Right now it's just straight. So I'm going to drill a hole in this that slides down over that pin right there, and that'll be a good start for this latch out. Once I get this mounted, I can start working on the front end of it. Here's what we've got so far. My steel plate, got that latch rod pinned. And back here to the roller end. And then up here, we're gonna do something. I don't know what yet, but we'll figure it out. Well, here we are back at the 3 horsepower hit and miss, and I've been working on the latch out some more. Here's what I've come up with so far. Let me get you off the tripod. Okay. Got a roller on the far end. Rides on the governor collar. Here's my pivot pin, and this comes down, and I bent it so that it would line up there with the push rod. This piece I'm going to drill and tap set screw holes in it to lock it to this push rod. I've also got to grind this flat. I'll have to do it on a belt sander. I don't have a milling machine, so I'll set it up on the belt sander and grind this side of it flat with a step in it for this to latch up against. And I did harden the end of that. We'll see how it holds up. It's not going to get much use. There is some play and stuff here. A little bit of up and down, but once I get a nut on that, maybe build some kind of a special washer or something to go around that so it snugs it down. I think it'll be better. The other thing I did was I changed this rocker arm. I didn't like the way it looked before. I didn't like the way this end looked, and it was flexible because I had it standing up instead of laying down, and then I had a bolt through here for adjustment when it was standing up, but it flexed too much, and I got thinking this push rod's adjustable. Right back here there's a lot of adjustment that I can use to get my spacing correct on my exhaust valve, which controls the timing too. And I played around with it, and I was able to adjust that either direction too far, so that there was still plenty of threads in there. So with it adjusted properly, it's right in the middle of the threads. There's a lot either way, so I don't think I need this adjustment out here. And I like the way that rocker arm looks. It's a lot better. There, gonna be like that. I guess that's it for now. Let's get to work. Well, here's what we've got so far. I don't know if it'll work, but we're getting closer to having something. We're either going to find out what doesn't work or figure out what did work.